So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a new project file from the project template which we have created previously to start modeling, in this case, our cold water model. So again, click on the Revit symbol, new, create new project, browse for the template which we created in the tutorial folder, BIM project folder, templates, this one, open, click OK. So what we're going to do again is we're going to link the Revit files and CAD files again if required. So insert, link Revit, in project folder, references, ensure that origin to origin is selected and click on open. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to ensure that all our floor plans are assigned to be in a cold water category. So to do this is simply to select all these views, level 1 to level 4, and on the right you can see that the discipline is currently mechanical, which is correct, but for sub-discipline you have to change it to cold water. And now you can see that the views have been put under the cold water category. So to ensure that new floor plans created will always appear in the cold water category, just simply highlight any one of these views and click on edit type. You can see that the view template applied to new views is view template 1. So click on it and scroll down. Ensure view template 1 sub-discipline is set as cold water and tick this so that it's included in the templates. Scroll down to make sure view template 2 also does this. However, make sure that view type 1 is selected before you press OK. So depends on the service you're doing, set it to the correct sub-discipline, press OK. So just as an example, if I needed to create a new section view by pressing this button up here, it will always be in the cold water sub-discipline, and so will the floor plans. So I'm just going to delete this view again. Okay. The next step is to create the sheet views where the floor plans will be housed when we need to document our project. So right click on sheets, new sheet, select this title block, OK. You can see that LPG02 was created. The naming would follow the previous named sheet. So what we're going to do is that we're going to right click LPG02, rename it to be P01, and I'm going to name this as level 1. Click on OK, and you can see now it's shifted down to P01 over here. So once you've done that, we're going to drag our level 1 view into this view. Zoom out, ensure that it's placed inside the sheet, and left click again to place it down. If you do not want this title to appear at the bottom, simply select this view, click here and click on no title. But I'm going to make the title appear again, title with line. And to adjust this title without selecting anything, just drag this title to be to the location that you want. If you need to adjust this line length, select the view, and you can see that this leader has appeared, and you can click on it to readjust the length of that line. Just going to reposition it over here. So now we're going to repeat this step for level 2, 3 and 4. Right click, new sheet. So once we have done that, we can see that P00 is where we will house the site plans, location plans, key plans, notes, legends, and schedule of drawings. So if you activate it, you'll be able to see that in our template we have already put in all of the relevant information, which is to be modified specific to the project if required. And this space is where you can insert your site plans and so forth. Next, we're going to edit the information on the title block for the 4 floor plans which we have created. So let's activate P01, and we can see that the titles are blank. So let's just highlight P01 to P04, and we can see on the right here service name and sub-service name is blank. So let's just give this a name. For the service name, let's call it hydraulic services, and for the sub-service name, let's call it cold water system. So you can see that the information is now displayed in the titles. So if you need to go on and adjust the other information down here, we could as well. So example, if this is approved by JP, designed by JP, so once you've done that, the information in the title block will be adjusted. Same thing with the project status, which is actually a global parameter which will affect the whole project. So example, if I'm going to put a name, training model, so with this you will know how to manipulate the information on your title block. So with this, we have set up our project file and we will be ready to model. So before we do that, let's just save our file. Project, go to our tutorial folder, BIM project folder, models, cold water, under design model, and we're going to save this as zero and save. So once this is saved, proceed to the next tutorial to begin the hydraulics tutorial modeling.